Yes, that was Bakshi art from Uzbekistan. Now I move on to 8.B.25, submitting state Montenegro. And the nomination is Cultural Heritage of Boka Navy Kotor, a festive representation of a memory and cultural identity. Therefore, now I would like to give the floor to the representative of the evaluation body. Over to you, Luba.
Thank you, Mr. Chairperson. Boka Navy is a traditional non-governmental maritime organization founded in Kotor, Montenegro in 809. Its origin is linked to the arrival of the relics of Saint Tryphon, the patron saint of the city of Kotor. Comprised of a community of seafarers with military, economic, educational and humanitarian functions, Boka Navy has played a memorial role for 2 centuries, preserving and promoting maritime history and tradition. The evaluation body considered that the nomination meets all 5 criteria. The elements play a role in maintaining the social and cultural identity of Boka Bay and Montenegro as a whole, while promoting kinship, friendship and neighboring ties. The file demonstrates wide participation in a process coordinated by the Ministry of Culture and involving experts from cultural institutions and Boka Navy representatives. In conclusion, the evaluation body recommends the inscription of the cultural heritage of Boka Navy Kotor, a festive representation of a memory and cultural identity, on the representative list. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And the Bureau did not receive any request for debate or amendments for this file. And therefore, I would like to ask the committee to adopt draft decision on this file as shown on the screens as a whole. That is 16.com, 8.B25 from Montenegro. Yes, I think there is no. Yeah, I think there is a hand, but he's not a committee member. So according to the procedures, I will move forward. And therefore, I don't see any objection from the committee members. Therefore, I happily adopt it. Adopted, and congratulations. Now I invite the Montenegro ambassador, Ivan Ivanišvili. Over to you, the floor.
Wie Pani co, że ja nie wiem, bo wie Pani, o której kurier przyjechał wczoraj? O 22:45. I to dlatego, że ja od 20 do niego wyzwaniałam, bo on...
Yeah, Montenegro.
Thank you, Mr. President. Since this is the first time I take the floor during this meeting, allow me to extend to you and to the delegation of Sri Lanka the warmest congratulations for securing the presidency of the committee. Mr. President, please take into consideration that by announcing this decision, you entered directly to the history of Boka Navy and of Montenegro. We extend our warmest gratitude to the evaluation body for the clear recommendation concerning our dossier and for the cooperation during the process of inscription of the cultural heritage of Boka Navy Kotor. I would also like to thank the Secretariat of the Convention for providing clear reports and to read them, for the preparatory work and excellent cooperation related not only to our common work this week, but for the cooperation during all the time. Mr. Chairperson, I greet particularly the Secretary General of the Montenegrin Commission for her dedicated work in promoting the cooperation with UNESCO. We were witnessing an impressive work of the National Commission and of all the experts involved in the preparation of the dossier. Finally, I extend my warm salutation to the Mayor of the city of Kotor, to the Admiral and to the members of Boka Navy who are reunited today in Kotor, and they are following together with the community our work, and I can just imagine their enthusiasm in this moment. Distinguished members of the committee, our journey towards the very first inscription of one Montenegrin dossier to the representative list of the intangible cultural heritage of humanity has arrived to a final stage. and it was concluded with success. And it is also for me an immense honor that I'm addressing you today. For centuries, Kotor and Boka Bay are at the crossroad of civilization, and during all the history and the entirety of their cultural, religious, ethnic differences were the added value of the element contributing dominantly to the progress of Kotor and of Montenegro. In that sense, allow me to make also just a step outside the usual diplomatic language and to say an immense thank you to the families of the members of Boka Navy for preserving and cherishing this outstanding tradition. For them, who are transmitting to the new generation the experience how to overcome all the issues causing problems not only in the region, is the question of pride. For them, any personal particularity, any single difference is an element of richness and was not and should not be an element of patronization in the tradition. When the traditional dance starts, we see one of the best examples of the motto, all different, all equals. Citizens, neighbors, friends, women, children, men, united in differences, in diversities, and dedicated to progress and peace. An entire community today is proud and grateful for your voting in favor of this nomination, and I confirm their intention to share this tradition all around the globe, promoting values of mutual respect, friendship, solidarity, peace, and progress.